In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text block in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the text block element, how to place it on your page, and how to fine-tune its settings, style, and interactions before publishing your changes. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer so you're looking at the canvas of the page you want to edit. With your project loaded, open the Elements panel. This is your master library of building blocks, and it's where you'll add anything from layout containers to buttons and, of course, text elements. Inside the Elements panel, locate the Typography section. This section groups all of your text-based components in one place, so you can quickly choose between headings, paragraphs, and the text block. Open Typography and select Text Block to add it to your layout. When you place it, you'll notice a highlight on the canvas indicating where the element will appear, which helps you confirm you're inserting it in the right spot. Once it's been added, you'll likely see placeholder copy, such as, "This is some text inside of a div block." Click the text on the canvas to make sure you've selected the text block element itself. Selecting the element ensures the panels you open next will show the correct options. Now, head to the Element Settings panel. Here you can adjust foundational options for the text block. For example, you can set the HTML tag to match your content's semantics, like paragraph if it's body copy or div if it's purely structural. Using the correct tag is a small step that improves accessibility and SEO. Next, open the Style panel. This is where you control the look and feel, font family, size, color, line height, and spacing. If you're styling text that you'll reuse elsewhere, consider assigning a class so your typography stays consistent across the site and is easy to update later. If you want your text block to move or animate, switch to the Interactions panel. Here you can attach simple effects, such as fading the text in on page load or revealing it on scroll. Start with subtle motions so the animation supports your message without distracting from it. When everything looks good in the designer, publish your site to push the changes live. Publishing lets you preview the text block in a real environment and confirm it